What are the 4 ways that you can get a green card if you're outside of the United States and you want to come in? Stay tuned. Friends, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to talk about the 4 ways that you can get a green card if you're watching me from outside of the United States and you want to come in and you've been dreaming about it, you've been thinking about it. You may have family members over here and they tell you about, the fact that you should really come. We'd love to have you. We need you here. We miss you. And of course, you're out there and you're thinking, how in the world am I going to make that happen? So I'm going to talk with you about the 4 ways that that can happen. Before we dive right into it, I just want to thank those of you who have been watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to McBean Immigration TV. And I have a few really nice comments here. I'm not going to read them all, but I just want to highlight 2 comments from my viewers. The top 2 comments that I've received recently. And the first one is from Michael, also said, I just subscribed to your YouTube channel. Indeed, I'm enjoying it, every bit of the information passing across to us. And then Mohammed says, thank you so much for all of your hard work. I wish if I was living in New York City, definitely I would choose immediately to find a good way to thank you for your work. Thank you, friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hit that notification bell, by the way, if you have not yet done so that you can stay tuned to my videos. First way that you can come to the United States if you're outside of the United States, and that is through your family relationships. Now, our government says that only four types of family relationships will get you in. The first is, of course, your parent. Secondly, your spouse. Thirdly, your child. And fourthly, your sibling. Yes, there's here in the U.S., we're talking about a lot of changes to that family-based system. But as of right now, and certainly this is not going to go away anytime soon, those are the 4 types of people who can file for you. So it's your parent, your U.S. citizen parent or green card holder parent. Secondly, it is your U.S. citizen or green card holder spouse. Thirdly, it is your U.S. citizen child who is over 21, over the age of 21. And then last, it is your U.S. citizen brother or sister. So those are the 4 kinds of people who can petition for you. Second, if you don't have a family relationship that qualifies you for a green card, you may have an employment opportunity here in the United States. People can come in through their employer. If you have a great job overseas and that company also has a US-based office and they want to bring you here, you may come over here on some non-immigrant work visa, and certainly they can go through the petition process for you so that you may adjust your status right here in the United States. Now, if you have a whole lot of money, you can do it the other way, right? You can try to get an investor visa, basically an immigrant visa that would allow you as an investor who have invested a minimum of $500,000 here in the United States in a very specific way. There's a lot more to this. There's a lot more, friends. It gets deeper, but I'm just keeping it on the very surface in this introductory video about this topic. But if you're an investor and you invest a minimum of $500,000, you may be eligible to come in through our investor visa program. And then thirdly, through Asylum. Asylum is a very important pathway for quite a bit of people who are fleeing persecution back in their home country, or they fear future persecution if they were to stay there, or they may be victims of trafficking. So asylum is a pathway to a green card. That's one way that people who are in really, really, really bad situations, life-threatening situations, may find a way into the United States. And then lastly, if you're outside of the United States and you'd like to get a green card, you can go through that diversity visa process, right? You can win the DV lottery and get your immigrant visa that way. Friends, was this helpful? If it was, go ahead and hit that like button and comment below and tell me whether you thought this video was helpful, and if you'd like to see more videos, very practical, short videos about the green card process. I enjoy working with you. I enjoy doing these videos, friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.